Most successful men are always in the mood for sex, but they know how to channel their sex drive. 12 ways to channel your drive and let success land. 1. Intermittent fapping. Just like intermittent fasting, you allow yourself to fap during a certain period of time. And this time should be at night when you are done conquering your day. Remember, this is just a temporary phase. Most of you are going to cancel me. Stop jerking off, loser. Look, this is for those who are addicted. Going cold turkey is not an option. If you want to quit watching porn, stop demonizing it. The more you try to quit, the more you will fail. 2. Make a ton of money. When you are in the mood, channel that energy to build your own empire and have a ton of money. Don't let anyone tell you that money is not important. 3. Build your dream physique, undeniable. Every man who wants a woman shouldn't be wasting time on watching adult yoga movies. They should be so motivated to be as attractive as possible. 4. Go out and socialize. Please stop sitting alone all day at home. Of course you're gonna fap and relapse without achieving anything if you just sit at home all day. Go out, socialize. Make use of your sexual energy. 5. Kick some ass. Men are born to compete. When they win, they get the girl. This is what your sexual energy is for. It is for winning. If you lose, keep striving and win. 6. Build your empire. Whatever you are doing, make it big. So big it dominates others. For example, if you are running an electrical business, strive to make your business the best electrical empire in the whole world. 7. Find your purpose and make it happen. Our need for sex is supposed to make the world better. Find something you are good at, obsessed with, and able to help others with it. Make it your purpose and chase it every single day. 8. Learn new stuff every day. You cannot increase your income if you don't keep on learning. The world is always evolving. Listen to podcasts in your car, read while you are on the train, watch your favorite YouTube who talks about money. Of course, take more action. 9. Create something you love. Your sexual desire is telling you to create a baby. Guess what? You can channel that energy to create something you want. Art, music, business, friends, technology. Create your life. 10. Sparring. Like I said, competition is derived from your sexual desires. Sparring is a great and physical way to experience immense sexual power. 11. Ask your boss for a raise. Of course you first have to prove that you are capable, so use your mind and hustle off. Work your ass off and get the pay that you deserve. 12. Strive to be the best. History has shown again and again, the best man gets the most women. Strive to be the best and go get the girls.